Hello, everyone. The use of technology in the classroom has grown tremendously. With investigating all of the different types, I was intrigued by how far we have advanced. I came across many websites that gave suggestions of programs to the teachers, and this one website, Prodigy, I just chose to show you an example of the different types of programs that teachers can use. The programs span from games to lessons to trying to keep the children quiet in the classroom to allowing them to make live videos, play podcasts. Um, and as you can just tell, there are different programs. The program that intrigued me the most was the virtual field trip. I believe this is very beneficial for children, especially children in low socioeconomic areas, because a lot of times their schools don't have money to take them on field trips. But with this virtual field trips, the students use 3D glasses and they can upload different locations that they want to see, and it actually gives them an interactive view. Waterford.org offers several different locations that students can pick. One of the locations is the Great Wall of China. And with this, as you can see, with the panoramic view, they would be able to, with the 3D glasses, actually look as if they are walking down the steps and that they're here in this location. This interactive way of learning is exquisite. Not only is it that the children are just seeing pictures in a book, but they actually feel like they are there and that they can touch. I believe that this type of learning will increase their inquisitiveness to continue to want to learn about other places. Another intriguing program I believe that helps teachers is the interactive sites for education. And this type of interactive site is to help keep children busy when a teacher is doing lessons, or when children have to do a certain lesson, and when they're finished, they become bored and can possibly distract other students. But with this interactive site, the students actually, once they've finished the lessons, they'll go log onto the computer and kind of pick any one of these programs that the teacher will tell them, or they can just pick it and complete a lesson. This keeps children focused and also can keep the teacher having control of the room. There are many different types of literature that support the benefit of including technology in the classroom. And I just chose The Benefits of Technology in the Classroom by Janelle Cox. She emphasizes that technology in the classroom can help prepare students for the future, can improve retention rate, it helps them learn at their own pace, and it connects students with different types of parts of the world that they may never come encounter with. So including technology in the classroom, I believe, will give our students a greater benefit than we even had.